Hi, I'm Kathy. I'm an art teacher and I've just created a drawing video to show you how to draw a baby fox. The tutorial comes from my website, Art Projects for Kids, which I hope becomes your favorite place for finding easy step-by-step drawing lessons. Over the years, it has helped millions of kids learn how to draw. Please check out my videos, and if you like them, hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help me make more of these. Now here's one of my very favorite drawing projects of all time, done with some supplies that are guaranteed to bring you stunning results. When a drawing is made from some easy shapes, like a big U head and simple body, it's a great time to try out some new media. Oil pastels are the perfect choice for adding some extra texture to this furry fox. Use them on black paper and you get an extra bold look. Plus, this fox is super easy to draw. Let me show you how. First, the supplies you need for this project are black cardstock paper, a pencil, and my favorite brand of oil pastels. There's also a baby fox tutorial that you can download from my website. Step number 1. To help draw a head that fills up the top half of the paper, place your finger where you think the center is. Start at the top corner and draw half of a U shape that comes down to meet your finger. Please note that in this video, I'm going to trace my lines a couple of times so that you can really see them, but you don't have to do that yourself. A single line should show up just fine. Now draw the left side of the head in the same way. Step number 2. Next, add angled lines at the top of the U to create 2 ears. Then connect the ears to complete the head shape. Step number 3. Now draw a small half circle for the tip of the fox nose. Step number 4, extend the line up on the right side to draw the right eyebrow line. And extend the line up on the left side too. Try to make these shapes match. Draw a circle for the eye on the right side and one on the left side. And add little triangles inside the ears. Step number 5. To draw the body, start with 2 matching shoulder lines. Step number 6. Now continue the right side down to almost the bottom of the paper and then up to the left side. Step number 7. Starting at the tip, draw a line down to make a fluffy tail that gets skinny where it connects to the body. Step number 8. Add a zigzag line at the end of the tail. And finally, add a few more zigzag lines in the background for the grass. Step number 9. Okay, it's time for the oil pastels. Here are the names of the Portfolio brand ones I'm using: black, white, rust, moss, and sky blue. Start by tracing all the lines with a black pastel. Go over all the pencil lines 2 or even 3 times so they get super thick. If you can, cover the pencil lines, but no worries if you don't. They will get covered up later on. And while you're at it, fill in the nose and the eyes with a black pastel. Now switch over to the white pastel and color the area around the eyes. Try to make them a solid white. Afterwards, color the end of the tail too. Switch over to the rust pastel and fill in the body. Try to get as close as you can to the black lines without touching them. No worries if the colors bump and smudge though, it will only make the art look a little more hand-drawn. Now I'm switching over to the moss pastel to color the grass. You know, some of the other Portfolio green colors are more transparent and don't show up so well on black paper, but this moss color looks great. And And then use the sky blue pastel for the sky. Try to fill in the blue color really well so that fox stands out from the background. And there is your finished baby fox drawing. You'll see those thick black lines really do make a very bold look. In fact, if any of your lines are blurry and hard to see, just go over them again with the black pastel. It will instantly fix the problem. Okay, so that is how you can draw and color a baby fox. This is one of my favorite oil pastel projects of all time, and I hope it becomes yours too. Just so you know, I do have even more drawing tutorials like this one on my website, Arch Projects for Kids, including how to draw a fox face and how to draw a cartoon fox. I'll see you next time, and I hope you keep on drawing.